Hello.
Hi.
Hi, do you have your license on you? The reason I'm stopping is you're going 77 on the loop and it was 55 through there.
Yeah, but I went to 60 when I seen you. I went to 60 when I seen you, and there was literally cars all in front of me going.
You're the fastest
My
car.
speed. I wasn't.
Okay, you got your license on you?
No, I don't. I was just dropping her off. It's Joy-Anna.
Okay. Is that one word?
It's J-O-I.
J-O-I? I'm sorry, J-O-I?
O-N-N-A.
Okay, and your last name, ma'am?
It's
Okay, and your date of birth? Okay. So when you saw me, you did slow down, but I'd already got you coming down the hill, okay? The minivan behind you was going 68, and you were going 77, okay? So give me 1 second. Do you have a middle name? I can't find you in the...
It's calculated. Well, it's for Indiana.
Oh, your driver's license out of Indiana? Okay, and it's a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. 10-4. Alright. So Joionna.
Yeah, J-O-I apostrophe O-N-N-A.
Common spelling.
Yeah, 7.
Okay, the reason I'm asking is because we just ran that name out of all states and it's not coming back.
Oh, well, I don't know. I never got this. My first time getting pulled over.
Okay, we also ran out of Indiana and there was no return out of Indiana for a driver's license.
Yeah, my driver's license is valid.
Okay. So the issue is you... Huh?
I said, I don't know why you're saying that.
I'm not sure either. Okay. So we can't get out of here until I figure out who you are, okay? So it needs to get a return on it. So you have no form of ID on you, nothing with your name on it at all.
I don't have that because it's not in my car, so I don't have that. I don't know.
Who owns the vehicle?
My little brother, Capri.
Is he home right now? Would he be able to find your license and send me a picture of it? Or send you a picture of it? I'm trying to figure out how we can do this the fastest way. Ma'am, what's her name?
Cherokee.
Cherokee. Okay. And you're her friend?
I'm their older sister.
Okay. So I just talked to the registered owner and he said you're just a friend. Right?
I'm her older sister.
Okay. So we're just waiting on that. Nothing yet? He said he couldn't find the license. Nothing yet on your end?
I don't know. Hey, do it under Joy. Leave out the rest of the name.
Just J-O-I? I already tried that as well.
So I don't know what
I got you. Like I think you and I are in the same boat, right? I don't know what to do either because I can't just let you drive off without knowing if you have a valid license or not. And I don't think you're lying to me.
Yeah,
I
don't know what to say about what you singing, whatever it's not. I don't really get to about mine.
Okay. And you said out of Indiana. Could it be out of any other state?
No.
Just Indiana?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I lived in other states, but it wouldn't be.
Do you know your social?
Not by heart.
Okay. Real quick. You can bring your phone if you want. Not working.
The biggest mistake in this entire case isn't the speeding. It's the decision that comes after the officer asks one simple question. That is exactly what you are about to watch. I am going to break down every moment of this incident and tell you exactly what these officers did right, what this driver did wrong, and the one decision that changed everything. What stands out here is how calm both sides remain while the situation quietly becomes more serious. The driver insists her license is valid, and the officer doesn't accuse her of lying. Instead, he keeps checking every possible source before making a decision. That's disciplined policing, because jumping conclusions without evidence can create bigger problems than the original traffic stop. Here's what most people don't realize. When dispatch can't verify a driver's identity, the officer can't simply hand out a speeding ticket and send them away. Their responsibility shifts from enforcing a traffic violation to confirming exactly who they're dealing with. Every failed search, every missing record, and every inconsistent answer increases the need for additional verification before that person can legally leave. Right now, the officer is about to use one investigative tool that will either confirm her story or completely destroy it. If the next check comes back with a different identity, this stop is about to become something neither side expected.
My gas is able. It's not working. My bad, bro. You're good, bro. All right, guys. We have a couple more options. Well, unfortunately for you, we take speed serious in the state of Georgia on this. Here, come here real quick. Let me take a picture of your face, okay? I got one other officer coming. We're going to try one more thing. If not, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to try to find you through your face recognition through our system. If I find you, then I'll call you and let you know what's going on. If not, and I find out that it's a different name, then you're going to have a warrant signed, okay? I'm just saying. I'm just giving you the scenarios, okay? I'm not saying you're lying to me. But what I am saying is that
I can go to court. You're gonna write me a ticket or something, but
well, that's the issue.
This caused us a lot. Like now, she literally had to call up work. That's gonna cause her not to afford. Like this is kind of causing us a whole bunch.
Okay.
But they can't even afford to like miss work.
What's a good phone number for you?
31. Oh, hold on. It is 3489.
How long have you had that number? Have you had it pretty long or no? Okay. I'm just waiting for the other officer. Oh, it's an Athens number?
Yeah, so.
Okay.
I'm not good at remembering numbers.
You just look it up, right? Yeah, you look it up.
Is it coming through?
So I'm not quite understanding the issue. Like, what's...
It's not. Like, I was doing...
The issue is...
Before I got to him, I did 60. Before I got to him. Look the number up. Look it up. It's not... I gave you my phone number. It's my number. It's my number.
So you have your own name.
But anyway, she's just not coming back. She's giving me an Indiana name, date of birth. She's not coming back out of any state.
He just said my name's not running up.
What's her last name she gave you?
Phillips.
And then the one you pulled up was Joy
Phillips,
Phillips, right? Somebody's got a fingerprint scanner. You want that?
He's got one, but he can't log into it.
Oh.
And that's what I got out for.
Okay. The issue is, I just watched you pull up a contact to the county.
That's not my... That's for me for my number, and that's what I gave you, my number.
What's that phone number?
This is my other phone. There's no... This is not ring.
Just take it.
There's no
Yeah,
number,
go
and you
for it.
cannot.
Jail. You're a liar.
I'm making sure I see... this is...
I'm not calling.
Locking me up 'cause my
No,
name's
I'm not calling.
running
I
up.
got it. I'm not calling you a liar.
So let me explain this.
But what I am saying is that there's some things that we got.
I know because I'm a
Chains.
criminal running around
Yeah, you
here
got
with
chains?
warrants. It's never this serious. There's nothing on my name. Even that name y'all put up. What's criminal? Anything y'all put up, period, for you all it's going to be this deep. Oh, anything you pull up.
Well, right now you're an unlicensed driver.
Started. I told you that earlier. I told you that earlier.
Yeah.
If you don't switch your address within 30 days in the state of Georgia, you're considered unlicensed. Okay.
Please do not go through my stuff.
Well, you're under arrest.
That's an ID.
Why didn't you just give me this?
But I didn't know this was in my package. Literally, you see me standing here.
I'm just making it clear you're under arrest. I'm searching the incident arrest.
You have no reason to arrest
Okay,
me.
let's go take a seat in the back of my vehicle.
Hey, Sam, you a bag, Andy.
Come on.
And get my
Come
phone
on.
to her.
We'll
please.
grab it. Come on.
Jeez.
Let's go around the back. Okay. We didn't have to
This
do
is
that. Why didn't you
crazy.
just give me
Why
your
are you
driver's
doing
license?
it?
Why didn't you just give me your driver's license?
If it was that deep, you should just roll a ticket. Why are you arresting me?
That's the way it works in the state of Georgia. Unfortunately
No,
for you.
this is not how it
Take
works.
a seat.
This is not how it works in the state of Georgia.
Okay.
Can y'all, now she got
a seat.
this, she's
Take
literally.
put your leg in.
She was charged with obstructing identification and possessing a fake ID.
This is the moment where small inconsistencies stop looking like innocent mistakes and start looking like deliberate choices. Once that line is crossed, there's rarely a way back. Watch how quickly the officer's mindset changes. Up until now, he's been trying to verify her identity, giving her multiple opportunities to clear things up. But once the information from her phone and the hidden identification enter the picture, the entire investigation takes on a different meaning. At that stage, the concern isn't speeding anymore. It's whether someone intentionally tried to mislead law enforcement. This is something many viewers don't know. Officers aren't trained to make arrest decisions based on one suspicious moment. They're trained to evaluate the totality of the circumstances. A missing driver's license record might have an innocent explanation. A conflicting phone number might, too. Hidden identification by itself could be explained. But when those pieces begin stacking together, they create reasonable grounds to believe something more serious is happening. By the time the identification is discovered, the traffic stop has transformed into a criminal investigation, and the officer's options become much more limited than they were at the beginning. If this case taught you one thing, it is that one dishonest decision can turn a simple traffic stop into a criminal case. Drop your reaction in the comments. Subscribe, because next video we are covering a case that makes this one look ordinary,